Hey, Brian with the Seat Shop. Today we're answering the question on why we don't do custom interiors. Because if you're going to spend the time and energy and money on a custom interior, you really want to work directly with a local shop to design that interior, really kind of get the vision that's in your head out, and so that the upholsterer can really design the seats that'll fit your custom interior. That's not what we do. We match the original interior just how it came off the factory. So it matches the bottom, top, armrest, console lid, whatever we need to replace. It's worn out, replace that single piece. Here's a driver bottom, for example. This thing's torn up. 2005 Excursion. In and out, left side's trashed, torn up. The foam's lost all its density. It's flattened out. This is no good. But why spend all the money to redo an entire interior if the driver bottom's the only problem? Here's a bunch of other covers we have. These are just regular OEM bottoms. There's nothing flashy, there's nothing custom with it, but you know what? It's going to match the rest of your interiors. You don't have to redo the whole dang thing. If you want custom flames, you want a Louis Vuitton interior, man, we'd be more than happy to recommend some shops that you can take it to that you can just let your checkbook run wild and let them design all kinds of crazy stuff for you. Here's another seat here. This is a 2011 F250. This is the passenger side. This cover came off this frame. It's not that beat up, but the customer's redoing the driver's side that is beat up, and he just got the truck and want everything to be just a clean slate to start over with again. That customer chose to redo the passenger side. You don't have to do that. The option is yours. You can do whatever you need to do, however much you want to spend. You just want to replace what's torn up, do that. If you want to redo the whole row, we can help you with that too. What we want to do is get your truck looking good without breaking the bank.